Building a YouTube channel by leveraging TikTok's explosive reach is one of today's most powerful strategies, with the potential for exponential growth. This approach can significantly increase subscribers, boost session time, and improve audience retention. TikTok and YouTube are very different platforms, each with advantages. However, when used strategically, they can amplify each other in ways that could lead to substantial growth. One YouTube channel that exemplifies this growth strategy is Outdoor Boys. By capitalizing on TikTok's short-form content format, they could pull a highly engaged audience from TikTok to their long-form YouTube videos, ultimately leading to substantial growth in their subscriber base and viewership. Currently, the channel has over 10 million subscribers. Let's explore how you can do the same and unpack the mechanics behind this strategy step by step. TikTok, a social media powerhouse, is distinguished by its short, highly engaging videos that capture attention within seconds. Its algorithm's unique ability to push content to users who have never interacted with your profile sets it apart, giving TikTok videos the potential to go viral quickly. This unique feature makes it an ideal platform to funnel views to your YouTube channel, sparking intrigue and eagerness to learn more about this powerful strategy. But how does this work in practice? TikTok's engagement primarily comes from short bursts of entertainment, which makes it the perfect hook. Once someone is hooked on TikTok, they're more likely to want to dig deeper into related content, especially if the TikTok video gives just a taste of what your YouTube content offers. For example, Outdoor Boys use TikTok to create short clips that showcase some of their most exciting outdoor adventures: fishing, camping, survival hacks, giving TikTok users a glimpse of the longer, more detailed videos on their YouTube channel. However, while TikTok is fantastic for initial engagement, its content lifespan is short. Videos can be consumed and forgotten in a matter of minutes. This is where YouTube comes in. YouTube is a platform that encourages more profound engagement, where users are more likely to stick around for long-form content. The key is to draw in TikTok's high-energy, short attention span audience and give them a compelling reason to transition to YouTube, where they can consume longer, more immersive content. The first step to using TikTok as a gateway to YouTube is to create content that serves as a teaser for your YouTube videos. These short, snappy videos should highlight the most exciting, entertaining, or valuable moments from your longer YouTube videos. For instance, Outdoor Boys often posted clips of thrilling moments from their camping trips or fishing adventures on TikTok. They didn't give away the whole story. Still, they provided enough intrigue to make viewers want to check out the entire adventure on YouTube. Posting random snippets on TikTok won't cut it. Your content should be structured to naturally pique curiosity. For instance, you could show a dramatic moment in an outdoor survival video and then end the TikTok with a call to action, such as, "Want to see how we got out of this situation? Watch the full video on our YouTube channel." This structured approach encourages viewers to transition to YouTube for the whole experience. Suppose you're serious about using TikTok to build your YouTube channel. In that case, optimizing your TikTok profile for YouTube promotion is crucial. This involves adding clear calls to action in your bio and linking directly to your YouTube channel. For example, the Outdoor Boys TikTok profile includes links and mentions of their YouTube channel in nearly every post, making it easy for TikTok users to transition from one platform to another. In addition to profile optimization, your TikTok videos should explicitly guide users to YouTube. Include verbal calls to action, like check out the full video on YouTube, or overlay text directing viewers to your channel. You can also include a link in the video description. While jumping on every viral trend is tempting, staying true to your brand and content style is crucial. TikTok users can quickly detect when someone is merely trying to exploit a trend without providing any real value. The key is to align TikTok trends with your content niche in an authentic way. Outdoor Boys did this well by tapping into popular TikTok sounds and memes, but always staying focused on their outdoor adventure theme. For instance, you might see a trend where creators share day-in-the-lifestyle videos, which you could adapt to your niche. If you're in an outdoor space like Outdoor Boys, you could create a TikTok showing a day in the life of a survival expert with short, engaging snippets from your camping trip that leave the audience wanting more. This adds a layer of relatability and keeps you within the algorithm's favor without straying from your core content. Engagement on TikTok directly impacts the algorithm's decision to push your content to new users. High engagement, likes, comments, and shares indicate your content resonates with people. But it's not enough to get engagement on TikTok. The goal is to drive engagement on YouTube. Create a loop between the platforms by responding to comments on TikTok and directing users to the corresponding YouTube video where they can see more. For example, when Outdoor Boys posted clips of a recent fishing trip, they might respond to comments by saying, "You can see how we caught this fish in our full YouTube video." This increases engagement on TikTok and encourages users to engage with the longer YouTube video, boosting watch time and retention. One powerful way to convert TikTok viewers into YouTube subscribers is to offer exclusive content that can only be found on YouTube. You want to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity that makes your TikTok audience feel like they are missing out if they don't subscribe to your YouTube channel. Outdoor Boys have done this by using TikTok to give sneak peeks or behind-the-scenes content, directing viewers to YouTube for the whole uncut experience. You could also create YouTube-exclusive tutorials, deeper insights, or extended versions of popular TikTok videos that incentivize your audience to switch to YouTube. Cross-promotion between TikTok and YouTube is vital for sustained growth. While TikTok can help boost your YouTube subscribers and views, your YouTube channel can also serve as a platform to promote your TikTok. Don't be afraid to mention your TikTok in your YouTube videos and link to it in the descriptions. This way, you can use TikTok's viral nature while using YouTube's searchability and longevity. The Outdoor Boys often reference their TikTok in their YouTube videos, encouraging viewers to follow them there for quick updates, sneak peeks, or content that didn't make it to YouTube. This kept their audience engaged across both platforms, helping maintain steady growth on both accounts. It's worth noting that while TikTok can be a great tool to drive traffic to YouTube, some creators argue that it's essential to focus more on YouTube, given its potential for long-term content discoverability. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, and videos can accumulate views over months and even years. TikTok's content, by contrast, has a much shorter lifespan, often disappearing from the For You page after a day or two. Other creators may take the opposite stance, emphasizing TikTok's immense reach and virality. With TikTok, even creators with no following can blow up overnight. For some, TikTok represents a faster, more immediate way to grow an audience, with YouTube as a supplementary platform. Ultimately, the best approach may be a balanced one. Leveraging TikTok for quick viral exposure while nurturing your YouTube channel for long-term growth is a powerful combination. You can capture both audiences by creating compelling short-form content on TikTok and using it as a stepping stone to your long-form YouTube videos. This strategy worked for Outdoor Boys and can also work for you. The Outdoor Boys YouTube channel started as a small niche channel focusing on outdoor survival and family adventures. Their early success came from creating detailed, informative, and entertaining long-form content on YouTube. However, as TikTok grew in popularity, they adapted and started using the platform to share short, exciting clips from their outdoor trips. This gave them access to a much broader audience. By driving TikTok viewers to their YouTube channel, they saw increased subscribers' watch time and session length. Their strategy was clear: use TikTok for viral clips and YouTube for the whole experience.